Previously, we are using only Zoho project, but now we have shifted process into the Odoo system. We are not using the conventional Excel what we were using for last 10 to 15 years. And we have to shift it to this Odoo system.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. So Hasini here from Odoo India, and today on the occasion of Odoo Community Days, we have one of our valued customer, Mr. Keyur Amin with us from the Adaptive Engineering Pvt Ltd. Yeah, hi Mr. Keyur, how are you?
Fine, hello.
Hello. So today as Community Days are here, so are you visiting first time here?
Yes, first time.
Okay, that is great. So how is your experience so far?
Our experience is good because we are using Odoo and we want to get the update of what will be covered in Odoo 19 and what we can upgrade in the different modules. So we can get these ideas.
Can you please explain about your business industry and your company more?
Hello, myself Keyur Amin. I'm the CEO of Adaptive Engineering Pvt Ltd. Our company is in the field of industrial electrical and automation. We are providing automation solutions for renewable, wastewater and infra projects.
Okay, that is great to know. Can you also let us know about your how did you come across Odoo and what the setbacks you have faced before using Odoo in your company?
My company started in 2014, and from the beginning of this company, we are using the Excel. And we have different departments like engineering department, sales department, then purchase, project, service. So all these department have we have developed the Excel for the departmental process and for their data entries. Every year we are growing like double. So last year we did 177 CR business, and before that we do 107 CR business.
That is great.
So the main problem we are facing with the Excel that every person is not familiar with Excel functions, because these Excel sheets have required a few skills. From our side, the limitation is that the freshers don't have that Excel functions capabilities, because actually their work role and their job responsibilities are not to learn Excel. Their job responsibilities are as per their departmental roles. We want to implement an ERP, and we are searching many ERPs. We have compared Zoho, we have compared ERP Next. Even we communicate with SAP, but our type of applications, we want different modules for the different departments. Unlike others have the bunch of single module that have all these works, but as per our requirement, we have a different service, large service department which has a team of more than 150 engineers. So for that we want a different service modules there. And after searching and after comparing many ERPs, we found that Odoo has online, because we get the reference from the online. When you search in the online and you get the references that these many ERP companies are there listed. So we have implemented via online, and we have checked. We contacted the Odoo, and after contacting, the sales team approached us and they gave us the demo of complete Odoo ERP, and we have taken multiple time demo, because we want to make sure that if we are implementing an ERP, then it will be rock solid for
all the
for all the need and for next of our business line. After that, we finalized with the Odoo. Odoo also provided the development services. So we choose the Odoo or development services for faster execution, and because we need more customization in your Odoo team. So we are using Odoo SH.
So how is your implementation phase going on?
We have started in January 2025 with the Odoo team. Our target is to run the first phase of Odoo in April 2024. We have started the sales CRM module, then the purchase and project module, and as well as the inventory modules. First of all, we have to dump the data in the Odoo. So for that, we have prepared the multiple sheet as per the format given by the Odoo team. And for that, first of all, we have derived the process, because we have a certain process in our company. Now, if we have to implement this process in Odoo, first few meetings with the developer is to understand how Odoo flow.
Yes, Odoo.
And yes, how Odoo process works and how our process match with the Odoo systems. We started implementing. For that, first of all, we have to discuss with our department head, trainings for interdepartmental for their teams. So after running a first phase from sales to project up to dispatch, from sales order in to the dispatch from our manufacturing facility, we have gone through the complete process. Once we satisfied that it is done, or it is more like
meeting the expectations.
Yes. Then we start the training to the internal departments for each and every department. After that, we decide one deadline, and on that day we provide internally that from this date onwards, we are not using the conventional Excel what we were using for last 10 to 15 years, and we have to shift it to this Odoo system.
Yeah, that is great to know actually. So even we have implementation phase, we do implementation phase wise, because if they are using the Excel or something, adaptability is something we focus on, because users have to make sure that they are getting used to it and it is easy for them to use.
Yes.
So that is why we provide the phase wise training. Proper documentation is required, so that even somebody replaces from your company the spoke or someone, so all the documents are ready with us to present them.
Definitely, and for that, Odoo has a document or Odoo knowledge base. Yes. So in that, we have also added our process in our Odoo knowledge base, and from there, the new joinee or the new users can learn, and we form a spoke of each and every department, not a single spoke for complete company. For departmental wise, we derive a spoke, and that is his responsibility to train their interdepartment persons.
That is great actually. So it was really good journey as per implementation as well, we can say. Yes. So as so far you have such a good experience, so how you would like to rate Odoo from the scale of 1 to 10?
It will between 8 to 9, because we right now the service module is implemented. Okay. After project it is implemented. Now we are implementing the service module. And we have a few suggestions. We already pass on to your development team that for project module you have to implement such things like the task update and task completion time and task notifications.
Yes.
This we required, because for project module previously we are using only Zoho project, but now we have shifted our complete process into the Odoo system. That's why.
So yes, so that adds up to my the next question itself. You have already answered that. What were the suggestions or feedback? So every year, as we are launching our new versions, we generally take the feedbacks from our customers, so that we can give the feedbacks to our internal R&D team, that maybe this option or this feature should be there in the standard module. So we are there to streamline and make your process easy as well, right? So in upcoming versions later on, we can launch the product.
Yes, because we have already discussed with the development team, and they agreed that we'll implement this in the later version.
So yes, so feedbacks definitely we will make sure that we will take up to the further team, and maybe in the next version we can roll out your features as well. I'm happy that you are satisfied with the product and the implementation phase as well. And and it is nice to hear from our existing customers their success stories as being a product company. So that is also good. So thank you for sharing us, Mr. Keyur. It was nice to have a discussion with you. Thank you.